Today we're gonna dip our toes into something that I'm probably gonna start doing a lot more of, and that's airflow comparisons using the anemometer. I know this doesn't tell the whole story about the fans, but it does what it's supposed to do. It measures how fast the air is moving through this, and then it puts it into numbers that we can all read and understand, which I think is useful and interesting. So we're going to start with two Lasko box fans. Cool Colors versus the Power Plus. The Power Plus has a slightly higher power draw at 1.0 amps, Cool Colors being at 0.8 amps. I think the Power Plus box, or the cabinet size rather, is also slightly larger. So there's definitely an advantage there. I would expect the Power Plus to be a little bit stronger. At least it should be. And we're gonna find out. We'll start with the Cool Colors first. So for this one, all we're looking at is the high speed. We're just gonna be doing a high speed comparison here. So here's high on the Freedom fan. So the highest points seem to be between 600 feet per minute and around 650, but I did see it jump up to around 670 a couple of times very briefly. But on average, it was floating around there between around 630 to 650 or so. So we will move on to the Power Plus and see what it has to say. Here is the high speed. So it actually did move a little more air. Over 700, saw it get almost up to 750 a couple of times. On average, it seemed like it was around 720 or so. Interesting. It actually does move a little more air than the Cool Colors fan, and by about as much as you would expect it to. Very interesting, being the same blade size and slightly more powerful motor. I don't know if it's just the RPMs are a little higher on this one. It makes it move a little bit more air. I don't know. But yeah, the difference isn't really negligible, but it's not a vast difference either. Interesting though. So that was our first comparison. Cool colors versus the Power Plus. Eventually I want to run through the whole gamut of the modern Lasko box fans and see what they're all made of, see how they all stack up. Thanks for watching.